Hello everyone, my name is Alexis. Welcome to the Learner's Guide. This video features the question words or the 5 W's and 1 H. Let's begin. Who in Waray, hino. Who are you? Hino ka. What in Waray, ano. What is your name? Ano't imong ngaran? What are you doing? Nag-aano ka? Where in Waray, hain or diin. Where do you live? Hain ka na upoy. Where did you get this? Diin ka kumuha hini. When in Waray, sano or kakano. When will you leave? Sano ka malakad? When did you arrive? Kakano ka umabot? Why in Waray, kay ano? Why are you scared? Kay ano nahadlok ka? How in Waray, ginano or ginaano? How did you do it? Ginano nimo? How do you do it? Ginaano nimo? How much in Waray, tagpira? How much is this? Tagpira ini. Did you like this video? Please check out this channel to see more of these videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you won't miss my new video. Thanks for watching!